Hey y'all, it's Tony. Today I have a Trader Joe's haul for you. My first Trader Joe's haul of 2021. And this afternoon I actually set out to go to brunch with my best friend from college, and she wanted to take me out for brunch for my birthday. My birthday's actually next Thursday, but I won't be here. I'm actually going to the Caribbean for a few days, which is so fun and so exciting. We had a wonderful brunch. She actually bought me a birthday gift, which I wasn't expecting anything but she got me this really cute bag. I mean, there's stuff inside of the bag, but I just thought this bag was so cute. And it's pink, my favorite color. And I'm gonna show you really quickly what she bought me. She got me this candle, which is called Salted Mango, and I actually really love this brand, DW Home. I think you can get these from like Ross, TJ Maxx, Home Goods I believe sells them as well. But she got me this candle. It smells so good. Salted Mango. It says bright and juicy and sweet. Sweet mango and passion. Ooh, passion fruit. I didn't even see that part. It says gently salted with ozone and amber. It smells amazing. It smells so good. You can actually smell it just through it. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Okay. Then she also bought me this cute mug, and it says, "Hello, friend." How adorable is that? And then it's yellow on the inside. I love it. Now, to the grocery haul. So, she had actually never been to Trader Joe's. So I was like, what? Let's go to Trader Joe's. Because the Trader Joe's actually happened to be in the area where we were for brunch. So we went, and I ended up getting quite a few groceries because I love Trader Joe's. And she bought quite a few things as well. So I'm going to show you all three bags I have. This is my first bag. So like, thumbnail. But okay, so first bag here, I have this Matcha Almond Beverage, which sounded really good. I actually really enjoy matcha green tea, and I've wanted to try this for a while. I've seen people doing hauls of it and talking about it, so I said, well, I'm gonna try it. So this is the matcha green tea beverage. I also have got the unsweetened almond, cashew, and macadamia nut beverage. It sounded interesting. I have the Spice Chai Black Tea Concentrate, which I tried this before and I liked it. I really enjoy chai tea. Which chai is tea, so tea. But I enjoy a good chai. And that one is spiced. Then I have these almond butter cups, which I also enjoy. These are really yummy. Quite delicious. I bought 2 of the Everything Bagel Sesame Seasoning Blend. So I got 2 of these for my, what is that called I make? My avocado toast. Then I also got this bag under my bed. Okay, I also bought this onion salt, which has a savory why can I not say that word? Allium? A savory allium. I don't know. Yeah, just the consonants together and the vowel just threw me off for a second. But a savory allium blend with a touch of salt. I've had onion salt prior, just not this brand, so I enjoy a good onion salt. I bought some nutritional yeast because I realized I was out some months ago and I honestly just did not buy any more, but then I saw it and I said, well, let me just get it because I use this to make vegan cheese, but then also I use this, what else was I making? It's good to add to different things. I forget what else I was using it for, but it's good either way. I like nutritional yeast, and this is a smaller package. I like to get the bigger ones, but that's when I saw it, so. Then I got these Sesame Honey Almonds. They just sounded good, so I went with that. And then finally for this bag, I have Coco Truffles, which these are amazing. If you've never had them, they are so good. They taste better when they're cool, so they're more solidified then. Bag number 2. while I was at the store, I called my mom and I asked her if she wanted anything while I was there. Because Trader Joe's is super, super, super far away. So it's one of those, listen, while I'm here, if you want something, let me know. I'll hold on to it for you. Things. So this, my earring. Okay, me and this earring have been fighting all day. I don't know why it keeps falling out. I think it's this back. This back is not strong enough. Yeah, I need to get a new back. These are my earrings. I love these so much. They're actually from Hazel Leo Designs. Earrings off anyway. They're not heavy. It's just that the back that I have on it is kind of loose. Because this one is fine. This one has not come off at all day. Look, it's fine. It's just this right one was not having it. It fell off in Trader Joe's today. I was walking and then it was just like, poop. I heard something clang and I looked down and said, wait, oh no, my earring. But anyway, this is the Ezekiel Bread. It's actually for my mom. She loves this. I bought myself some rosé. The associate that was ringing me up, she had said she needed to see my ID because whenever you purchase any alcohol or anything alcoholic, you have to show, or even the spray paint, you also have to show your ID for that too. But anyway, I digress. That's not the point because people were huffing and things like that. But she carded me and she said that there was this guy that had gotten offended like the previous day because she had asked for his ID. And she's like, well, listen, the fine is 10 grand. So she doesn't want to pay 10 grand. So she does what she has to do. But anyway, I said, listen, I will never. And my friend and I actually had that very same conversation earlier at brunch about never being offended by being carded. Honestly, I want to be carded forever. Card me as much as necessary because I never want to fully look my age. I want to look like I'm younger than I am forever. So I'm okay with that. Card me, please. Anyway. Short story. I'm actually not going to show you all 5 cans of this because again, not necessary, but I bought 5 cans of the jackfruit. I really enjoy jackfruit. You can this one is in brine, so it's salted, but you can strain it and then you can shred it up like chicken, season it up like chicken. I've made Chipotle bowls with this before to where I had the rice, the cilantro lime rice. I made my own guacamole, and then I cooked this up with cilantro and lime as well. It's really good if you don't want to eat chicken maybe one day, or you want to dabble in non-meat or meat alternatives. So I like a good jackfruit. Then I have this bag of ginger chews. I usually keep one of these in rotation because ginger is great for bloating, it's great for gas. It's great for a lot of indigestion, I believe it is. There's some other things that ginger is great for. Yeah. Ginger is just great for a lot of stuff. So I really enjoy ginger and I keep these usually in my lunch kit. Okay, one more bag. I'm so sorry, ma'am. My dog is sitting right here and I just kicked her on accident. And she's not okay with that. So this is a cold foods bag. A freezer bag. I forget what it's actually called. But I bought this bag in Trader Joe's to hold all my cold foods because, like I said, I live really far away from Trader Joe's and I didn't come straight home, so I kept all my frozen food frozen. I love these masalas from, I bought 3. Oh no, I only bought 2 of each. Okay, I was thinking, whoa, I really did go overboard. But I bought the chicken tikka masala. I have 2 of them. And these are good meals, quick meals to have. I think I might use these this week because I usually will meal plan on the weekends. And since I'm only going to be here, be at work for 3 days this week, and then I'm going to be going on my trip, and then I'll be back for work the following Monday, I just won't meal prep. I'll just eat like some of these, possibly. And I have food that I can heat up and add with like lettuce and just kind of make meals out of things instead of me going in there and meal prepping for 2 hours. So, and I'm not going to be here for it. So anyway, I also bought 2 of the vegan tikka masalas. I'm such a fan of tikka masala. So usually I will buy the vegan one, but then also the chicken one. And if you have never tried tikka masala in real life from a legitimate, genuine Indian restaurant, I suggest you do because it's amazing. Alright, and to go with that, I actually have some naan bread, which I think is at the bottom of this thing, so I'll show you them later. I bought some vegetable gyoza. And I love the Thai vegetable gyozas. They are delicious. These are, says they're made in Thailand. So they're so good. I like to go to the Asian grocery store and they have a larger bag of the vegetable gyozas. Amazing. Oh my gosh. I usually will have a salad with these, or I'll make like rice with them and have the gyozas on the side. It's just so many endless options, possibilities. Did I only get one bag? Okay, I only bought one bag of gyozas, I think. I also bought this Korean-inspired bulgogi beef fried rice with kimchi. It sounds amazing. I don't think I've ever had kimchi before, so I was definitely game to try it. I bought these pot stickers, chicken gyoza pot stickers for my mom. I bought, I think, 4 bags of Brussels sprouts because I love Brussels sprouts. I could eat cabbage and Brussels sprouts forever. So, these were only 99 cents a bag. So I think I have 4. 4 total. Love me some Brussels sprouts. Or is it Brussels sprout? No, Brussels, plural. Brussels sprout. So, oh, these are, oh, it says true Belgian Brussels sprouts. So, I love me some Brussels sprouts. Here's my garlic naan. 2 of these. Amazing, so good. Dip them in your tikka masala, you'll thank me later. I have 2 of the mushroom raviolis, as requested by my mom. I have some macarons. A dozen of those in the freezer section. These are so good. I love macarons. Okay, getting to the end of the bag. I have the spicy Thai shrimp fried rice. I thought about 2 of these. I guess I only bought 1. Okay, so the spicy Thai shrimp fried rice. This is so amazing. Love it. Then I have the Mandarin orange chicken. Also delicious. And I have the Mexican style roasted corn with cotija cheese. So, I love me a good elote, and I just had to get it. Again, I love Trader Joe's. I suggest that you try Trader Joe's if you're trying. Well, cut off on me there. But anyway, that is the end of my haul. Thank you so much for watching. Try Trader Joe's. Let me know if you've never been, or if you have been, and what are your favorite things that you get from Trader Joe's, or maybe some things that you saw in my haul that you have also tried, or maybe you found interesting. Going to talk to you all later. Have a wonderful day, or whenever you're watching this. God bless, and I will see y'all in my next video.